Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by s in here. Next, I will put s go to numerator and that should be like this. So this one we simplify s and s. S will belong to sine phi s. So we have the formula in here. When s approaches to number 0, sine of as over as equals to number 1. So this one we need to multiply by number 5 on numerator and the denominator. And now this one we have number 5 with number 1. So we can put number 0 cone here. Here. Number 5 with number 1. Number 0 cone here. And here. So we calculate this one. And we have 22 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.